Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to today I want to explain my literacy appreciation about some film that the title is Freedom Writer Movie. And before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Fiwa Wishwana Kamara. My number student is 65. I'm from class D. Now, I want to explain my assessment about teaching strategies in the Freedom Writers movie, theory of teaching. So, teaching strategy, before it, teaching strategies are one of the signs that must be mastered by a teacher. Teacher must understand that this matter because the real effect of teaching and learning process and affect student learning outcomes. A teacher must know a form of learning strategies to optimize their student to be started. And now the purpose of this study. The study aims to study and analyze the teaching strategies on film freedom spider. They are interesting that need to be studied in the film regarding teaching strategies are carried out by a main character. By using a qualitative method, we can obtain data from a film by watching film and analyze it out of qualitative method with theories of teaching. And now we are going to move to the introduction. Introduction strategy has important role to achieve a particular goal in the teaching. For this research investigation, the terms strategy was defined as the approaches that can be used across curricular areas to support the learning of strategies. It is from Harold and Jordan, 2004 and 5 page. So, teaching strategies can be defined as a plan of action that set of activity, including to use the method and utilization of various researchers in a learning setup to achieve certain goals. There are different teaching strategies as a simply different way of helping students to learn. That is a different way to be helping them to achieve the learning outcomes that the teacher has defined as important. And teaching and the teacher choose range from a totally teacher determined approach in which the student are a passive recipient of the information you give them to totally independently learning where teacher play knowledge role in between that's external. There are several major strategies, and there are numerous values in each strategy. A teacher can expect to become an expert using all the strengths. Now, now methodology. The research used is a qualitative research um, describe some situation by viewing the film, then we analyze the research itself, and the objective of this research are identifying and analyze the type of the teaching strategies and for all research granted of the film, the freedoms of the written movie. The data and the results of this research will be described in two short essays along with evidence format in either picture or text scripts. Now, we are moved to the findings. Findings. One of teacher activities is a teaching use of various strategies to make it easier for students to understand a material. Teachers must have a more knowledge about a learning strategy, which is it means like more learning strategies. In his freedoms writer, there are various strategies found, namely use type recorder or song, number one, and number two, journal writing, and number three, reading motivation, and number four is about trips, and number five, a thought for change and cooperative writing learning. And now we are moved to the discussion. Discussion about what the strategies that used in the film. The strategies are number one, is using types recorded or song. Also, the use of song can be seen in a scheme when Mrs. Crowell teaches her students about internal rhyme in song. The use song, although the strategies did not work so well in the movie, using song in the teaching and learning process is considered is a good way to improve student listening and reading skills. Mrs. Creel hopes that her students will be interested in the literary works and make the motivation learning by using these strategies is like using type and record sound. Number two. Number two is journal writing. Journal writing, the framework theory, cognitive design theory, has a technique, Regular College and Keller at 2004 focus more on those process and structure. In this film, uses Cruel as the student to write the story of life in a journal. And the purpose of the journal writing for Mrs. Cruel is to get closer to her student, and she approaches them through their journal. This is one the best strategies that she applied in the movie, and one another applying to strategies not what is that? I mean like the strategy not using more budget. Teacher must consider about providing the journal and whether it comes from the teacher or student as well. It depends on the school, college, and supporting teachers are and learning process. Number three. Number three is about reading motivation. Reading. Mrs. Crowell struggles in providing a book for her students since the school had no financial plan to support her. School always play an important role in applying this practice. To increase student motivation and reading, a teacher must provide some books for the student. Number four. Number four is a field trip. Mrs. tutorial, Introduction to Learning Outcomes to the Student through File 3, instead of warehousing the student to learn inside of the class. And the purpose of the file trip is to expand the way of thinking. The activities involve the student to the other real life situation and experience. And number four is tools for teens. Mrs. Crow motivation her students to change their perspective about themselves through tools for teens. She tells them to let the past behind and go after a future, and she encourages them to be confident and brave in a positive way. Everywhere Everywhere that Mr. Grell said is really motivating for a student. After activity by Mrs. Grell, but a student take the class one by one and tools for the change starting from a Gloria. The third and change was a pivotal moment in a freedom writer journey. The goals of this activity is to validate student past experience that will offering them of opportunity to change the different of their life. So, the next one is conclusion. After identifying and analyzing the movie, this research comes to some conclusion. There are six different teaching which Miss Grewell used in her teaching. They use songs, type of song, journal writing, reading, motivation, outreach, is for teens and cooperative writing learning. Although some of the strategies are not a success in this field, it is still considered to be effective and applicable in a teaching learning process. Thus, teaching strategies in this movie can be referenced for the teachers in a pursuit being effective educator in the future. Then, thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if I have a more mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.